What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on. Also I'm going to show you example that you can still make money off free mint NFTs if you can get a whitelist spot. And everything that I'm going to state in this video is just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into NFT or cryptocurrency projects. Also, if you can do me a favor, follow me on my Twitter, I would really appreciate that. So the projects that I was talking about, it's called P-Papes. It was a free mint, and actually this project surprised me. They didn't over allocate, and they gave everyone who had a whitelist spot 24 hours to mint, so you could mint anytime you want. You could wait on low gas, so that way you won't have to pay a lot. And at the time of recording this video, this mint is still going for sale at 0.017 from the free mint, and now it just went down a little bit. From the free mint you can still make a little bit of money. So if we open it up, as you can see, it's like 22 bucks. This project went at some point, I think almost to 10% or 8%, somewhere around there, but I think that was the highest point. And there is still quite a bit of activity on this project. So this is just another example. If you can get yourself whitelist spot on free mint, you can still make money. Doesn't mean you're gonna make money on every single free mint project, but if you get whitelist spot, you can wait and see until they're gonna start selling on OpenSea, and then if you're gonna be able to see that you can make profit on it, then you mint and sell it right away. So the projects that I was gonna show you, first one is called Cello Free Mint. There's not a whole about this project. They have a link tree, so there's a Twitter artist, Twitter official, another official Twitter, official YouTube, Instagram, and Discord community, so you can join one of those to find out more information about the project. And if we scroll down, as you can see, it's getting decent interaction, but not a whole lot. Maybe it's a good thing since it's still in an early stage. Maybe it's not going to be so hard to get a whitelist spot for this project. Then the second project, it's called Mushoku. It's 999 anime youngest came to the metaverse to save the world. So here's the way it's going to work. The first 666 is going to be paid, and then 333 is going to be free. I'm not sure exactly how they're going to allocate that, if it's going to be paid whitelist spot and free whitelist spot. We're just gonna have to wait and see. There's some collab managers, and you can sign up in a raffle for super full. This is like a pre-mint, and then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting quite a bit of interaction on their Twitter posts. So this project is getting quite a bit of hype. And then the last project, the third one, is called Pandora NFT. So it leads the way to bring your collection of art on Ethereum blockchain. So this looks like one of those artist projects, or maybe other one that's gonna try to convert art paintings into NFT or something like that. And they will have 3,333 NFT. So that's gonna be supply, and whitelist equals free mint. So if we scroll down, they're getting quite a bit of interaction. I don't think it's going to be very easy to get a whitelist spot, but they have a premium link. If you apply and register, maybe you can get yourself a whitelist spot. So this is one of the ways, or maybe participate in their Twitter giveaway, like for example this one right here, interact to be considered for whitelist spot. Or if you're in any alpha NFT groups, maybe you can win from there. So this is 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, that I think has a good potential, especially this one right here. Maybe not just to flip, but maybe keep for a longer term. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.